Sven wants to make digital cutting more profitable and increase the efficiency of his Zünd cutters. That's why he's recently started using Zünd Connect software. Sven accesses Zünd Connect from his browser. The user interface and analytics are clean and intuitive. Zünd Connect gives him full transparency over his production processes. It lets Sven monitor the availability and performance of his Zünd cutters. He can evaluate actual production times. He can even track down production losses and analyze their sources. The advantages are obvious. Sven can now keep machine downtime to a minimum and make sure his cutters are being used to their fullest. Not only does this help Sven plan more effectively, it also increases his overall productivity and allows for greater flexibility. Even with increasing complexity, Sven can make informed decisions and perfect his job calculations and quotes. Would you too like to eliminate errors and take advantage of the full potential of your production workflow and rely on technology that's future-proof? In that case, Zünd Connect is the perfect software solution for you.